Welcome students. As in the previous videos, we have discussed the dispersions and in the absolute measure of dispersion, the first topic is the range. So in this short video, we will discuss what range is all about. So range means the measure of dispersion. Range means the difference between the largest and the smallest value in the data set. So if you have a data set and you find the smallest and the largest value and you take the difference, that becomes the range. And the corresponding formula for range is range equals to x max minus x min, and the coefficient of range can be calculated as x max minus x min divided by x max plus x min. So this gives us the coefficient of range. For example, if marks range from 25 to 85, okay, of certain subjects, then the range is 85 minus 25, that is 60. Okay, so this is how we calculate the range. Now, another example of measure of dispersion is range. So this is more graphical, more intuitive one, so you can better understand. First of all, the data set will be given to you in a problem. There is one technique that is known as either you arrange the data in ascending order, and if you don't want to arrange the data in ascending order, then find the minimum value and maximum value. Put a circle around those minimum and maximum values. Then the range, as we know from the formula, max minus min, and that gives 95 minus 64, because these are the two elements identified, one max, one is min. So 95 minus 64 equals to 31. So 31 is the range of this data set which is given to you. Now you see that in this particular data set, the data is given and you have to find the range, as formula is max minus min. Now you see this data is not actually properly arranged in ascending order, so you have to apply the previous technique, that is find the minimum one. So let's consider 16 as minimum. So this is not less than 16, not less than, 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 not less than. So 16 turns out to be the minimum number. Then choose 24 as max, 22. So it is less than, so max remains 24. Come to 24, 24 is lesser than 25, so max becomes 25. From 25, we compare to 26, so now max becomes 26 because 25 is less, then 27, then 28 similarly, and finally you have 28 as a maximum number, biggest number. So you subtract 28 minus 16, the result is 12. So that is the range. Okay. Now, in terms of graphics, okay, so range is that suppose there is a frequency chart which is represented in terms of bars. So you have this x-axis as range. Range starts from 40 to 70. So this is the range in which the data lies. So thank you all for your patience and listening to this lecture.